Bullish Mobox, Mbox, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.80 and $6.10 by 2030. Market experts accept Mbox could reach $2.80 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.498324. Mobox, Mbox, presentation. As cryptographic forms of money became standard, their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token, NFT. NFTs are extraordinary advanced resources that only one individual can claim. In any case, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world, and how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the essentials of Mobox and let you know all that you really want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing aid. What is Mobox, Mbox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market fundamentally, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Accordingly, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost forecast for other common digital currencies. The venture that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox Convention. The Mobox Convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that creates coins for the Momoverse, an internet gaming metaverse. Mobox, Mbox, essential investigation. At first sent off in April 2021, Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Nonetheless, dissimilar to most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mobox is based on the Binance Brilliant chain. The typical estimate cost, greatest cost gauge, and Mobox cost increment are in this way on a very basic level connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally goes with Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital currency decision, making it carbon impartial. Mobox, Mbox, current cost. Mobox is presently worth $0.622905. Mbox has moved 5.38% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,960,336. Mobox is presently positioned 366 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $50,243,442. Mobox, Mbox, value forecast 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Mbox. The Mbox cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.934357. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.872067 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of $0.747486. Mobox, Mbox, value forecast 2023. In 2023, Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.56. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mbox's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.25 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.37. Mobox, Mbox, value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.18 and Mbox might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.99 and a low of $1.87 in 2024. Mobox, Mbox, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Mobox effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.80, with a base cost of $2.49 and a typical cost of $2.62. Mobox, Mbox, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.24 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.11 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a greatest value worth of $3.43. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.86. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.05. Neglecting to assemble the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.74. Mobox, Mbox, Value Expectation 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.36 and a yearly cost close above $4.67 in 2028. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.98 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.29, averaging out at $5.11. Mobox, Mbox, Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across new